Welcome to the HPN University Manager Best Practices Roadmap. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with practical ideas and best practices on how to fully maximize the HPN University with your advisors. In this episode, we're going to focus on the HPN Virtual Coach and Pro Series. To find both of these programs, go to the main menu of the university and click on Coaching Resources. As a manager, we know that your time is precious, and planning out an entire curriculum for all your advisors in any stage of their career can be taxing. This is where Virtual Coach and the Pro Series come in. Both programs are designed for self-study. You can enroll your advisors in these programs, and they can complete these at their own pace. First, let's talk about the Virtual Coach. Virtual Coach is a course that is designed to drop one video in your advisor's lap on a weekly basis. This course is made up of 48 videos and is designed as a passive set it and forget it program where you assign this once. Each week, your advisor will receive one 5 to 10 minute video featuring our top content on the university. Topics include sales skills, practice management, motivation, life insurance, and retirement planning concepts. We've kept the topics pretty universal because we know that our learners come from many disciplines and many parts of the world. Now let's talk about the HPN Pro Series. Pro Series is a certificate program for advisors. Currently on the platform is Life Insurance Pro. This program is made up of 8 top life insurance specific videos followed by 8 quizzes. You must watch the first video to unlock the quiz, to unlock the next video, and so forth. Once these are completed, the advisor will unlock their certificate that they can fill out and print for their records, or download an electronic copy that they can email you for proof that they've completed the course. Life Insurance Pro is ideal for anyone who would like a deeper understanding of life insurance as a concept and how to position it to clients and prospects. Some managers will enroll new advisors to this course, and others use it to keep experienced advisors engaged. These programs are great for anyone, new and experienced. If you'd like to talk more about this or other best practices for using the HPN University, contact us for a free consultation at info@hoopus.com.